Today we highlight trailblazing businessman Reginald F. Lewis. Born in segregated Baltimore, Lewis went on to graduate from Harvard Law School, breaking barriers early. In 1987, he led a billion-dollar buyout of Beatrice International, becoming the first black billionaire in the United States. Lewis didn't just build wealth, he expanded opportunity and opened doors in corporate America. His legacy continues to inspire conversations about ownership, leadership, and economic empowerment. His legacy continues to inspire conversations about ownership, leadership, and economic empowerment.